This video chart presentation of Healthient Inc. brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Healthient is a bullet board listed stock trading our ticker SNAX. It's a technical stock to watch this week as it was holding a pretty nice base here at 18 cents. Came out on Monday, had a little bit of a rough day, closed down, but held that support level. Yesterday's movement was strong. You can see up almost 26%. Decent volume on the play. So we're going to keep this on radar to see if it's going to continue to push. Seeing the long-term perspective of things, nice upward trend going on in the MACD. Even in the more near term, a little bit stronger of an uptrend. Histogram bar is trending back towards zero. The bullish cross could be coming in the MACD, showing a shift in trend. Similar look recently with the PPO. EDX is in a pretty nice reversal position. A little bit of strength coming into the direction of the play. Positive and negative DI is pretty neutral. But typically in reversals, you look for that negative DI to be on top, positive DI to be on the bottom. Then some bullish crosses to happen to show some real strength coming into the direction. Big separation from the 7 away from the 14 and 21 has corrected itself. Similarly with the 14 pulling away from the 21 itself. Pretty nice look to the MFIs. Click there's some money flowing into this. That's reiterated by a very strong uptrend in the accumulation distribution. You can see the shake in money flow. Also showing that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. Primarily throughout the 9-month life of this chart, buying pressure has been stronger than selling pressure. CCI dipped down into an oversold territory. Moving back upward nicely. Full stow also dove off, showing it was really losing some momentum. Looks like it could be making a reversal. It's a good thing when you can correlate those things to support. That's what you want to see happening. Tricks, breaking its strong uptrend. All you look for now is some sort of little reversal through here. Make the higher low. Try and hold around that zero mark. You can see a lot of those indicators and the momentum and trend was really falling apart. That was when it's peaked out around 38 cents and dropped pretty hard. So of course all the momentum came out of the play. The upward trend lost a lot of strength, but now it appears to be settling and trying to reverse course. You can see that in the RSIs. Some momentum coming back into this play. I want to see this break through 50 and get trending on the upper half. We say this in a lot of videos, but you can see how important it is. Trending sideways, not a lot of momentum. Make the breakthrough, hold over top of 50, even on some retraces. And you can see that the chart remains bullish. Break back down through 50. Chart's certainly going bearish. So again, we're going to look for not only the breakthrough, but to hold the upper half of that indicator. You can see this chart trades with some large volatility. I would assume that's because of a large bid-ask spread, which makes it a little bit difficult to define some support points. So I'd really try and draw upon this more recent area where trading seems to have lost a little bit of the volatility. And you can see 18 cents is held pretty strong. There is another support level below that right at 16 cents, as that was an area of support and definitely an area of resistance throughout the end of August and beginning of October. So I'd really have my eye on 18 cents, but it's also noted that there's a pretty strong support at 16 as well. As far as resistance goes, certainly have to look right there in the area of 24 cents. Over the last few weeks, difficult time pushing above that. 50-day moving average is right in the mix there. You can see it's registering 23. That's right where the price per share closed on Tuesday. So I'd imagine this is going to be a pretty tough spot for it. Beyond that, resistance is a little bit more clear from this 30 to 32 cent area. Historically, that does factor in. You can see right through here recently in October, a resistance point. Tried to hold it as a little bit of support when it got peaked out. And if it can break through 24, that's where I see the next area of resistance coming into play. A very substantial move from 23 cents all the way up to 32 cents. And from a tactical standpoint, it's important to move back above that 50-day. And of course, the 200 days coming into play there as well, registering a 28. But it is considered a bullish move if it can push through the 50 and certainly the 200-day moving average, and the price per share can start trading over top of those. As I mentioned early in the video, volume's not bad in this play. Certainly can pick up a little bit more. It's traded over 1 million shares a day on several occasions recently. But 300,000 shares is not the end of the world. I just have my eye out for the volume bars to pick up a little bit more because you want to see a lot of strength come in to try and blow through some heavy resistance points. So there's a few different things that I'll be looking for in the SNAX chart. Indicators appear to be aligning that there is a shift in momentum and trend going on. We'll watch for these support levels to hold and see if the reversal can continue. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the SNAX chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. And do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.